just so I'm clear, like on DAX, whenever you're doing something using DAX, there, it's like sometimes it's not as elegant, I guess, as Power Query. Is that kind of what you're saying? Like it's like using a hammer versus a scalpel. Like, is that kind of what you're like, what you're maybe getting out there?
Yeah, so a good way that we like to think about it is DAX is evaluated in real time. Whether you're looking at it through a browser or looking at it in Power BI desktop, your RAM is being used in some form or another. With Power Query, the data on the back end in Power BI service, or whether you're refreshing the data locally, is only run once. Once all the steps are evaluated and your data model is refreshed, those steps don't need to be rerun again. DAX, however, every time you click on a visual, every time you load a page, and every time you're basically working with Power BI, DAX is evaluating. And if you have multiple calculated tables, measures that are showing different measure, selector method measures that return different measures based on context. If you're doing a lot of table searching, a lot of relative things that can really be done with joins, you're already slowing down your page loads because all of this other stuff needs to be evaluated.
So
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 I'm not saying
beyond,
measures are bad though.
but beyond, sorry to interrupt. I just want to make
No,
sure I'm
yeah.
clear. Beyond the actual use case functions of there are certain things DAX can't do. This is a UX opportunity for any good Power BI developer to make their products more effective and digestible, because you're not sitting there waiting on loads and refreshes and stuff. Like, as you're clicking through your report, you're getting a more responsive report if you use the Power Query correctly. Is that
Exactly.
okay?
If you're somebody who rides the calculated columns a little too hard and does a little too many related table calls, and you're constantly using DAX to pull different values from different tables where a join could have really solved your issue on the back end. These are things that can really speed up your report and the functionality. It goes from an okay report to a wow report if your page loads are under 2 seconds. And writing DAX too hard can really be adversely affect the performance of your reports. There's some mental calculus people need to do to kind of understand when is appropriate to use DAX, and sometimes you just need to kick some of this functionality to Power Query, because if the data is going to be static, or if you're referencing some specific data that resides in another table, Power Query can most likely get it done.